Dr. Jerome Zechmann. I'm an orthopedic surgeon who's been in practice since 1993. I started here after my dad retired. He started in 1970. I did my medical school training in University of Kansas and went to Akron, Ohio for my residency. My specialties are multiple. I actually subspecialize in a lot of knee replacements, partial knee replacements, total knee replacements. I do a lot of hip replacements, a special hip replacement called SuperPath that allows people to get back to activities much quicker than normal hip replacements. I also do multiple other things that I find as good outcomes, such as ACL reconstructions, shoulder surgeries, biceps tendon ruptures, clavicle fractures, wrist fractures. I used to be a general orthopedist that now has these subspecialty interests.